Hi, today I'm going to unbox my newest, most advanced cooking appliance, and this is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp with Ultimate Lid, multi-cooker and air fryer, pressure cooker. You know why I think this is amazing? You know, we had a lot of pressure cookers. I lost count, 12, 13, 14 maybe. We started with this one. This is a Cuisinart 6-quart. 9.5 years ago I got this, and I made a video on YouTube. I'll put a link down there in the video description. And look how simple this was. It's just high, low pressure and times and browning. But look how advanced they became. You know, we had the Ninja Foodi, and that has the crisp lid, but it's a separate lid. It's a whole big chunky lid, and then a lid for the pressure cooker. That's kind of bulky. It worked okay, but when I saw this, I thought it was amazing because it's only one lid, and we can pressure cook and then brown it with the same lid. Look at all the functions. I'm going to unbox it. Hang on. Pressure cooker, saute, steam, slow cook, sous vide, which was my idea to begin with. I sous vide in the pressure cooker for the first time ever, and all the companies grabbed onto it, but that's okay. Yogurt, air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, and proofing for your dough. And it has instructions on it, and it has a silent steam release. Look, whisper quiet, easy steam release. Can you imagine a pressure cooker being a whisper quiet, releasing the steam? Because you know, they sound like a train, you know? Let's unbox it. I can't wait any longer. Look at the good things on here. And they have an app that has like 6,000 recipes or whatever. Oh, there's a chicken. Oh, we have chicken. I might make a chicken in this tomorrow. If you want to stick around and see how it goes. Brown the top. I used to brown them by searing them, you know, top and bottom, but this is going to be good. And the other nice things, we can make like casseroles with browned cheese on top or something like that, you know. All kind of stuff. There we go. I'm excited. Look at me shaking. It's exciting. I was waiting for this. I said it was the best cooking gadget ever. Today it is, you know. It's so advanced that I could probably get rid of 1 or 2 pressure cookers and air fryers. You know, they get outdated. Discover amazing. Amazing. Oh, is this a hat? No. This should be a chef's hat, right? I don't need no stinking instructions. Maybe it's a CD. Under pressure. Okay. Discover amazing. Peace of mind in an instant. Wonder why the A is white. What do you think? Here the A is red. Amazing. This says discover amazing, so the A must be for amazing. Oh, banana bread. Look, she just bought a whole bunch of bananas over there. Alright. Banana bread recipe. Be safe book. Don't use underwater. Get started. Alright. I read it. See that? Speed reading course. The unboxing. Nice big box. It's 6.5 quarts, so that's 6 quarts. Cuisinart. 9.5 years ago I got that. Whoa. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh. The unboxing of the most amazing pressure cooker ever so far. Duo Crisp with Ultimate Lid, multi-cooker and fryer. Best of both air frying and pressure cooking. I've got a lock and an unlock. I don't even see a pressure button. You know, we got to put in pressure mode. I don't even see that here. I think it goes automatically when you lock it, and then it has a feature to natural release or pulse release, like every few minutes or seconds it gives a little pulse, and then full release. But it's supposed to be whisper quiet. I can't wait to see. I can't wait to hear. What's inside? Oh, I locked it. Oh, I locked it. I don't need no digging instructions. Oh, you gotta hold it over and lift it up. Extra safe. Oh, look at an air frying basket and or rack. Can go high or low, depending on what you're doing with it. You know, there's your French fries in here or anything. Read that later if you want to. Nice inner pot. Nice and heavy. Remove this. Beautiful. Smells like a new car. Does the lid stay on? I believe the lid stays on, which is good. Okay, so say you're gonna pressure cook something, put a bunch of meat in there, liquid, close the lid, remove this. Warning. Oh, morning, Will Robinson. Do this. See? Lock it, set it, I'm gonna plug it in. Then, when you want to air fry at the end, push this red button here, say. Oh, the heating elements. Good thing I did that because there's tape on here. Look at that, that's the pressure valve inside. See that? That's usually on the top of the lid. It works by itself, I'd imagine. See, because it goes this way. You put it back in, you put that in there. See? I'm gonna plug it in. We'll see if it comes to life. Plug it in, plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. You're as excited as me? You're not shaking, are you? I'll go back here. I'll go back here, alright? Come here! Wow! Oh! It's beautiful. Look at that control panel. Ready? You see it? Ready! That's nice. Isn't it beautiful? Got a little plastic over there. I like to leave that on as long as I can. See? You know? Like a new car. Okay, it's ready. So say we want to pressure cook. 10 minutes. Steam release. It has the 3 settings there. Look. Pulse release. I never saw that. Quick release. I don't even know how to do that. Maybe it just does by itself, right? We're going to find out. And natural release. You know what that is. We got delay start for like the slow cooker. Hi! Hi! 4 hours, alright. There's all kind of good stuff we could do here. Oh, temperature here. Time. Oh, is that 24 hours? Holy cow, look at that. Temp, high, low, low, high. Alright. I wonder what happens. I'm going to press cancel. I wonder what happens if I press air fry with the pressure cooker insert in there. Let's see what happens. Remove pressure lid inside. Look, remove pressure. Cook. Ing. Pressure cooking cover. See, it knows. It won't let you do that. Okay, cancel that. Alright, that was a nice simple unboxing. How many parts? Beautiful. Sleek. Can't wait to use it. Like I said, we have a nice chicken in there, and I think I'm going to make a whole chicken. Okay, thanks for watching this unboxing. And hopefully you'll subscribe or stop back probably tomorrow and see what we're making it for the first time. And we're going to make other things too. You know how much we use pressure cookers. Check my pressure cooker playlist. I have over 200 recipes. But I was excited when I saw this. And remember my good old buddy here. I remember 9.5 years ago I got this at the Palmer Mall and I took a picture of it and sent it to Kathy. She said, oh, that's going to be so great. Look, I even got a dent in it. Cuisinart, it was the best. It was like $80 back then. Right? Alright, thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned, we're gonna have fun. See ya.